Good day, class, and welcome back to Haitian Creole. This is going to be lesson 8, Haitian Creole 101. Today, we're going to see the personal pronouns. Pronouns personnel. Pronouns personnel. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. Pronouns personnel. You see them? If you look at your screen, the first one is moi. Moins, ou, li, nous, yo, moins, ou, li, nous, yo. Those are the personal pronouns. Now, you can see that just like in English, we have 5. Usually, in the other languages, we have 6. Like I know in French and Spanish, we have 6. But in English and Haitian Creole, we have 5. So now, let's do this. Moi would be your I. Ou would be you. Li, he, she. The good thing in Creole, we only have one for the third person. Only one for the third person. We don't have he, she, or like in French they have il, elle, or in Spanish ella, elle. We don't have that. Moi, ou, li, nous. Now, this is, you see this? This can be we, and it can be the plural you. But the plural one, not the singular one. And you will see that with me shortly. And then you, they. Now, let's talk about this a little. How do I make the difference when it is we or when it is you, the plural? The only way you can make the difference is if the person speaking is part of it, then it's we. If the person speaking is not part of it, but referring to more than one person, then it is this. For instance, I may be speaking to a group of people and I say, "Nous voulez aller?" I'm not in it. I'm talking to them. "Nous voulez aller?" Then that will be the you plural in English. Right? But if I say "nous voulons aller," and then I am in it, then that's the we. Those are the pronouns. So when you see them, you know what it is. Moi, ou, li, nous, yo. Okay? Easy stuff. Easy. Personal pronouns, we just saw them and it's easy. The reason why I had to mention them is in our conversations when you see them so you know what they are, right? In our conversations. Now, fun part, dictation. We're gonna go to another little dictation for it. Write the words you hear. Just write what you believe you hear. Alright, no trouble. Just write what you believe you hear. You ready? Let's go. First one. Kai. Laku. Balcon. Pot. Fenêtre. Barrière. Parking. 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 Salon. 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 Salle à manger. Salle à manger. Salle à manger. Cuisine. 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 Chambre. 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 Toilette. 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 Cabane. 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 Tab. 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 Chaise. 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 Fou. 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 That was it. That was it. Now, before we correct it, let me just go over it. Caille, la cour, balcon, porte, fenêtre, barrière, parking, salon, salle à manger, cuisine, chambre, toilette, cabane, table, chaise, fou. Did you get it right? Let's see that. Our first one, caille. Caille, la cour. La cour. Balcon. Balcon. Porte. Fenêtre. 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 Barrière. Barrière. Parking. I know you get this right, but I was just worrying you would put an R there. There is no R, no R. It's pa. Parking. Parking. Salon. Salon. Salle à manger. Salle à manger. Salle à manger. Cuisine. Chambre. This is technically describing the parts of a house or a home. Chambre. Toilette. Toilette. Cabane. Table. Chaise. Fou. That's what it is, so I hope you had everything right. That was the dictation. Correct yourself. And let's move. What you could do before we move to the next slide is, if you didn't get it right, go back to it a second time, try to do it again. Go back to it a second time, try to do it again. Do that until you get it right. Practice like that, and you'll be just fine. Let's go to the next slide.